So what we would like to do, we would like to do this exercise that displays 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. It's clear that this kind of nested loop, so I'm going to create some kind of nested loops. Okay, this was the exercise here. This is the second exercise to do. So I need a for loop, and inside of another for loop, and inside I'm going to display something, but I don't know what to display. If I just do something like this, well, I would like to have, first of all, how many times am I repeating? 5 times. So I just start from 1 and less than or equal to 5. This is going to repeat 5 times, right? And again 1 less than or equal to 5. This is going to have 5 by 5. If I run this, I'm going to see a lot of because I'm printing everything in one line, in a line, and then if I'd like to print in more than one line, then I just need to print on the same line, and then before going to the next, I'm going to go back to the line. So this now is going to display 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then they have 5 inside here. So 5 by 5. Instead of displaying these, I would like to display the numbers. What should I do? Instead of displaying this, I don't want to display a star, but I would like to display a number. I have like 2 numbers there, I or j. If I display j, what should be the output?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, if I put this, then j, right? But this is not like this. I'm just putting the variable j. The content of it is going to be displayed, so it's going to be displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many times? 5 times. Because this is displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This loop here is displaying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this loop here is repeating 5 times what this loop is doing. And then after I finish repeating this 5 times, I go back to the line, and then I repeat the whole thing 5 times. Now what's the difference if I put now I? So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? The same thing as this? So it's going to be, when I'm inside here, I doesn't change. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5, 5, 5. Okay, if I'd like this to be a little bit better, I'd maybe put a space between the numbers. I'm just adding a space here. So now I have this 1, 2, 3. What should I do now to display this the same way it was on the other one, which was this one here? Like the same way to display this. Oh no, that's not what I want, sorry. Like display this, instead of having like this stars, I'd like to have 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, whatever. Yes.
We can make for loop, size loop.
No need. Just the same way that we did here. This loop here, instead of displaying a star, I can display a number, which is, this is, sorry, not this one, this one. This is the same loop, but instead of having this, I should make it I. And then if I just put I here, when I is equal to 1, I'm going to repeat 1 time. When I is equal to 2, I'm going to repeat twice. When I is equal to 3, I'm going to repeat 3 times, and so on. And this is the way how I can get to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just remember, this is controlling the lines, because every time I go back to the line, this is controlling one same line. So this is going to repeat for 5 times. I'm having 5 lines, but in those 5 lines, I'm not repeating always 5 times. I'm repeating just once, because the first time I is equal to 1, so I'm going to repeat only once here, and then the next time I'm repeating twice, and so on and so forth. So I put 1 in I, and then I'm asking, is I less than 5? Is 1 less than 5? Yes, I get inside. Put 1 in j. Is 1 less than 1 or equal? Yes, it is. So I'm going to display 1. Then then j becomes 2. Is 2 less than 1? No, I get out. I display, go back to the line, and then I go up. Now I becomes 2. Is 2 less than 5? Yes. Put 1 in j. Is 1 less than 2? Yes. I'm going to display 2, and then a space, and then go back and then increment j. J becomes 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 2? Yes. I display 2 and then go display space, and then this becomes 3. Is 3 less than 2? No. I get out. And this is how I'm repeating to get this result.